So with an acrylic yarn, medium worsted yarn and 8mm crochet hook, we're starting right away with a slip knot, chain 2, 5 single crochet in the second chain from the hook, join to the first stitch. So I'm gonna continue the tutorial with a different yarn so you can see clearly what I'm doing. So here I'm on the second round, chain 1, 2 single crochet in every stitch. We'll end up with 10 stitches. So 2 single crochet in every stitch. And again join. So you have two choices for the round blanket. It's either to keep a track on the numbers in every row till it gets bigger and bigger, or you can place a stitch marker and then work in spiral. Instead of closing every round with a stitch marker, you can follow the end of each round without closing and without having a trace of it. But you still have to count the number of stitches you do. So number 3, round 3, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 2 in the following one, 1 in the next one. So we'll alternate 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch until the end of the round. Always check the written pattern so you can follow properly with this tutorial. I'm gonna show you here how to start and go on to each round, but the entire blanket pattern will be written and it's free for everyone. And join again. Chain 1. Now 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, 2 single crochet into the following stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. So we have increased the number of single crochet in one stitch by 1, means it was 1 single crochet in one stitch in the previous row, followed by 2 single crochet in one stitch. In this round it's 2 single crochet in one stitch and 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and it will keep increasing in every round. and we'll join again. So 5th round, again 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches now. So we increased again by 1, and 2 single crochet in the next stitch, followed by 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. So I will finish most of the rounds and then I'll come back to show you the result and explain further what to do. So this is the final look of the blanket. As you can see, I have done 77 rows total, rounds total with a single crochet, and as I have explained, the number of single crochet in every stitch increases in every round. For that you must follow the written pattern together with the video so you understand clearly how to make it and how to go along with the tutorial. So it is important that you follow the step-by-step pattern as well. The changing of color, I put the link to the video where I changed the color, so follow it. It's very simple. Just join the yarn, chain 1 and single crochet, continue single crochet, but the video will show you clearly how to make it. I have used 4 colors. It's your choice which colors you use. This is 77 rounds, and how big it is, you can make it smaller or bigger, it's up to you. All the rest of the information you'll find it in the written pattern, as I said, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye bye.